Hello everyone, so here's Parodist app. So how to use
I think
video
John Johnson
templates here.
is way cooler
So
than
that's
an amp.
pretty
So
cool. You just go to templates and then just tap on video. And then you can record cool videos with specific name. So you can prank your friends, for example. So for example, something like that. And then we can just voice the joke, but there probably will be an ad right now. Okay, there it is. Okay, bear with me, guys. So anyways, I don't know if it voiced the joke, but it should replace the name. And then you can just send it to your friends and prank them. So that's pretty cool. You can just, if you want to avoid ads, you pay like, you can pay for a week like $4. Then there is audio. You can do just with audio. And then you can just share. So hope that was helpful.